everybody. You Are My Sunshine, Song of the Week. An oldie but a popular tune from the 40s and recorded by many people, and it's still a favorite. Might be called one of those campfire songs, but we won't hold that against it. It was a big country hit for a while, and the bluegrass people still play it. I like to play it on the banjo. Why not? It's got a nice melody. 3 chords, nothing difficult. In this arrangement here, nothing difficult. I will post this at the end of the video. But there are no slides, no hammer-ons, no pull-offs. And it's just the straight notes. And the challenge, like I said in other videos, the challenge is all those notes are there, some are melody. I've circled the melody notes in red. So it gives you a little guide to what is melody and what are fill-in notes, right? What are fill-in notes? Well, on the banjo we have what they call banjo rolls, or kind of arpeggios, or alternating thumb kind of figures. And within those rolls there are melody notes, and we arrange something for arrange a song for the 5-string banjo, 3-finger style. Actually, thumb and 2 fingers, but everybody's a 3-finger style. So the challenge, I guess, again, is to bring out those melody notes. Now, at the beginning, when you're first starting, this isn't a priority yet, because you're just learning how to finger the notes, right? You are my sun, shine. Sunshine, make me happy. So you see how that melody's there, and I have these other notes between. And that's the hallmark of bluegrass banjo playing. So the chords here are, it's in key of G, regular tuning, G tuning. And the chords are just the G. Most of it is, well, all of it really is just mostly open, fingering a few notes, a few of the melody notes, but most of it are open strings. We go to a C, hold the full C down, back to a G, back to C, back to G, A, D. Well, here's that partial D chord that I've had in other videos. The 2nd fret, 3rd string, and the 4th fret, 4th string. Now, if you are totally already used to fingering a full D, I'd leave that 1st string open as a D. That note. Now you're going to leave the 2nd string open, because right there, right before the ending, don't take my sunshine away. So away on the part is the open 2nd string, even though it's not part of a D chord. It's part of the melody. So your rhythm players and your bass players, or if you're at a jam, everybody's playing the D chord, you're hitting that B note, the 2nd string open, and it sounds fine. It's not like clashing against the D chord. So that happens now and then. You will play in the 2nd complete measure, you're on a G chord, you're playing a 2nd fret, 3rd string, an A note, which isn't part of a G chord, but it's a melody. right? So you'll find that just because it's not part of the chord, the note you're hitting is still melody and it still works against that chord, so to speak. So there you go. I hope you have fun with it. There's no big issues here. Practice slowly, slow and clean notes. Those are where you want to be. When you practice stuff slowly, you slowly speed it up incrementally, really over a few days or weeks. And what you do slow will affect how you play fast, really. Your movements that you learn slowly, all those movements get ingrained into your muscle memory, to your mental memory. And when you're, if you haven't done that slowly, just right, when you start speeding up too quickly, too soon, you will be a sloppy player. So remember, slow is where it's at. Okay, have fun. Oh, yeah.